now concept is a change of velocity. When velocity changes, okay, number one case when velocity changes, when first case direction changes, direction change. That if a body is traveling at the same speed, suppose 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second, but with different directions, then also the velocity changes. Also you can say that the velocity is equal to, we can definition of a speed of a body in a particular direction, we can say, but that is not required. Already two definitions whatever give that given, that is 100% correct. So here velocity is a vector quantity. Here two things, if the magnitude, suppose if the direction changes, listen, let me say 10 meter per second towards east and 10 meter per second towards north. Both are have same speed, but both are not under same velocity because direction is not same. Suppose another case, if direction changes, then the speed changes. Second thing is, then the velocity changes. Sorry. Second case, if a body changes its magnitude of the magnitude changes. Okay, magnitude of the speed changes, then also speed. Suppose your magnitude of the speed changes. Suppose example I'll tell you, you traveled 10 meter per second towards east, next time travel 20 meter per second towards east only. Direction is constant here, but the magnitude is different. That's why also the speed change, velocity changes, because velocity is a vector quantity. It depends upon both direction and magnitude of the body. If both the cases, both the things, any one of these two will change, then that will be changing. Clear? Now depending upon this change and non-change, there are two types of velocities. Velocity, that is two types. One you can say that uniform velocity, second is a non-uniform velocity. What is uniform velocity? If a body travels at a constant speed in a specific particular direction, then if the body is said in the same direction, then the body is said to be under uniform velocity. If a body travels at a constant speed, in the same direction, then the body is under uniform speed, uniform velocity. Example, suppose a bus traveled 100 meter in 20 seconds towards east. This is the direction. Second 100 meter also traveled in 20 seconds towards the same direction. Third 100 meter also it traveled in the same direction in 20 seconds. Then the body is said to be under uniform velocity, because the change of the time and speed is constant here, as well as the direction also constant. That's why the body is under a uniform velocity. Hope I am clear.